Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with the work in English literature workbook of, of the poem The Snare by James Stephens. Now today we are going to continue with the work in workbook only on page number 56. As we have done till the exercise, fill in the blanks with the name of the countries. Now today we are going to write the first answer of in which book will you find out the where these countries are. You have to write the name of that book in which you will find the name of all countries. The second exercise in this which we are going to do is we have been given a 10 rupees note on which Gandhiji is being made. You have to write the languages in how many languages the word in 10 rupees is being written. And the third exercise which we are going to do is you have to find the rhyming words for the words being given. Now let us start with the exercises in a workbook on page number 56. Now let us continue with the exercises in workbook on page number 56. First question is, in which books will you find out where these countries are? You have to write the name of the book here in which you find the name of all countries. So the name of that book is Atlas. Atlas is the book in which we find the name of all countries. Now, the second exercise is take a good look at a 10 rupee note. You have to see this 10 rupee note being made over here. The word 10 rupees are written in many languages. In this, the word 10 rupee is written in many of the languages. Can you write the name of all the languages written on the note? You have been given a list over here. You have to choose in how many languages it has been written over here. Chinese, English, Sinhalese, German, Malay, Odia, Hindi, Arabic, Marathi, Russian, Malayalam, Sanskrit, Japanese, Kashmiri, Tamil, Spanish, Assamese, Latin, Gujarati, Punjabi, Urdu, Bengali, Korean, Greek, Swahili, French, Telugu, Portuguese, Kannada, Manipuri. We have been given these languages over here. You have to choose it from the list and write it over here in these blocks being given over here, and leave some of the blocks if there are no languages. Let us write the name of the languages in the blanks. A1 is Marathi. B1 is Odia. C1 is Sanskrit. D1 write Malayalam. E1 Kashmiri. F1 Tamil. G1 Assamese. H1 Gujarati. Punjabi. Urdu. Bengali. Telugu. Kannada, Nepali, and Konaki. Konkani. Leave two blanks at the last. Now let us move to the last exercise. The last exercise is rhyme and spell. Read this poem aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I threw it back again. Look at the last word in each line. 5, alive, 10, again. 5 has the same sound as alive and 10 has the same sound as again. These are all the rhyming words being given here. You have to, in this exercise, find the rhyming words for the following. Remember that the spelling can be quite different as the sound must be same. You have to write the rhyming words of these words being given here. Find the rhyming words for the following. Remember that the spelling can be quite different. The sound must be the same. First one is hand. The rhyming word for this is land. Cut, shut, coat, goat, lie, die, trick, kick, same, aim. Now the second one is kite, bite, great, hate, did, kid, me, see, slit, fit, man, fan, dress, stress, curl, girl, please, seize, slum, come, queen, bean, hills, drill. Last one is pear, deer, brown, town, stock, block, come, some, say, hey, healed, field. As we complete the exercises in workbook of poem The Snare also. Now what you all are going to do is you all have to do these exercises using pencil in your workbook. Don't use pen to write these exercises. Now homework for you all is to learn the hard words and the poem. Revise the hard words and the poem The Snare by James Stephens. Okay, thank you.